Nikunj Mehta from Raghufatla Porbandar. My project name is football player. Rajan Riya love to watch and play a football match. They wish to make a football player. So today I am a football player from WeDo 2.0. Let me tell something about football player. I have made this model with my own design. This is striker. There are 11 players in the football match. One defender, one midfielder, one goalkeeper, and one striker. I have used one motor, one smart hub, and one motion sensor. When motion sensor detect this ball, the leg will kick the ball. I have made this audience, and goalkeeper have to save the ball. Let's see how it works. The striker wins.